Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com, and I'm going to show you some of our guns that we got from Parris Manufacturing. And we've got a great selection of guns here at a great price. I always give you good pricing, but I just kind of want to go over with the guns that we have here. This is a Cadet training rifle that I have in my hand right here. Nice little gun for, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12-year-old. It's really fun because it really cocks, kind of like goes like that. See that? Isn't that cool? And then it click. Listen. Kids will have fun with this. My 5-year-old, I gave this to my 6-year-old. Lincoln loved it, or David loved it. It's got a nice strap, so you can like pretend like you're gonna carry it on your shoulder. This is really cool. This is new Cadet training rifle. ProTinkerToys.com. Now, one of my best sellers is the Jefferson Rifle. This is sweet. Okay, this is a really sweet rifle. Okay, and it takes the long caps. This is just a nice little gun, okay? This is plastic, this is metal, this is metal, this is plastic, so it's kind of a combination of metal and plastic. This is the Jefferson Rifle. Just go on to ProTinkerToys.com and just type in Jefferson Rifle, and this will show up. Now, deals. If you want a deal, I got this one right here. I bought a bunch of these on closeout. This is really a nice set, just a fun 2 silver type of pistols. These are cap type guns, and it gives you the holster and the belt and everything. And go check on ProTinkerToys.com. This item is 5513, the Cowboy Collection. Cowboy Collection, double holster, belt, and set. 2 Western repeating rifles. Really nice kit. Okay. Now my other one, which is a big seller, is the Golden Rifle. 1880 or 1866. This is all golden plated wood right here. They make a great gun. I mean, it's a lot of fun. Your kids, these things will last. The kids will have a lot of fun. Go on to ProTinkerToys.com. All my guns there. You can pick out which one you like. But these are all the different. We got the Outlaw, the Johnny Reb. You got Johnny. What's this one? Billy Yank. And then we got, this is the Tex-Mex. This is a really nice one. Sweet, I like this one. Now, the creme de la crop. Okay, so this is the best seller I have of all time. Okay, this is a 2-set Texas Ranger. Comes with a star, a belt, 2 guns, nice little holsters, synthetic leather. But these things are just amazing. This is one of my best-selling die casts. These are all die casts. This is plastic. The butt or the hole or the handle. This is a great set. Go ProTinkerToys.com. Type in Texas Ranger or this link, and it will probably. I think it's going to link you to a couple of the guns. But just a lot of fun. Then we have the Desert Fox, which is a Luger, German Luger. Pretty sweet. So check out all the gun. We got Billy the Kid, Jesse James, Doc Holliday. I mean, everything you'd want in toy guns, we have it at ProTinkerToys.com. And you know what? We don't care. They're toy guns and kids love them. ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com.